Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Cherry B and the B stands for banjie, and that's what we're going to be this week. We're going to be banjie, we're going to be ratchet, we're going to be DIY queen. I mean, honestly, Lord DIY from that 2012 is shaking. So if you've never seen Fenty Beauty before, if you've never heard it, what rock have you been living under? Because Fenty Beauty is like one of the biggest makeup brands right now. And if you haven't seen, they've just come out with this product called Body Lava, which is basically highlighter for your body. And sis ain't got the points to be paying that prices. Sis is broke. Okay, sis has that paper around, sis can't pay that. So I'm showing you my DIY version. So watch on so you can get your snatched and glittering, your shoulders, your face. Actually, don't use that on your face, you'll get spots. But if you want your body looking popping and snatched in summer, just follow this tutorial and you'll have a snatched body. Honestly, like, who needs a summer figure? Like, you just be you, just have sparkles all over your body and you'll be fine. Let's get into the video. You need a highlighter, a non-scented baby oil. I actually brought two of this highlighter because it's actually so pretty and it actually makes you glow. Now take a knife and crush up all your highlighter and cut it into fine bits, because if it's chunky it will go like chunky in the bottle and it will just stay at the bottom and it won't come out on your skin and look nice. It will just look nasty and tacky. Tip all of your crushed highlighter into the baby oil. I'd recommend using all of the highlighter. Now just shake it so all of the highlighter mix together with the baby oil and there's going to be no clumps left in the bottom. I hope your body glitter turned fine and didn't mess up or didn't go wrong. I hope you have the sparkliest body all through summer. Hopefully we'll be getting hot weather soon. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and if you have time watch some more of my old videos. Bye!